Hello guys, welcome to my channel. As I earlier promised you that I'm going to drop a video, whereas a guide for you to know how you can maximize your pocket option trading in order to yield profits instead of loss while you are performing your arbitrage. So in today's video, I'm going to take you step by step on how to set the best trading strategy that will make you, let's say 80 to 100% every day you trade. All right, so by the time you master this strategy, you don't need to be putting money again. All right, you will be using your first $150 that you deposited. Okay, 150 from your crypto and 100 from your card to perform this trading for profit. Okay, so if you are new to this channel, don't be lost. Okay, you can watch my previous video from the link above or in the description box. All right, so that you get to where we are today. And if you are already here, please watch this video to the end. Okay, watch this video to the end, don't skip. If you skip, you will not understand. All right, so watch it to the end. And if you have any questions, please click to join my Telegram page. The link is on the description box as well. All right, so do well to watch this video to the end. Okay, and if you like this video at the end, make sure you give me a like. Okay, and if you are watching for the first time, consider to subscribe to my channel, please. That will encourage me to drop so much information like this. All right, so let's jump into my pocket option app. So let's jump into my account for live coverage of the live trading. So it's loading. All right, I already placed a trade immediately. We are starting with $5. Okay, 5.86. I've placed a trade already and it's reading. Let's wait and see. Good, it has entered with a profit. All right, this is the same strategy that you are going to use. Okay, you are going to apply to your pocket option app. All right, so if you have the app, you will not see all these lines. These are the indicators. Okay, these are what we call indicators on the chart. All right, on the at the top here, you will discover that there are 5 lines. Okay, blue, red, then white at the middle, then red and blue at the end. Okay, then this highlighted color. All right, then if you come down here from under the amount, the buy and sell button, excuse me, I enter another trade uh which is reading. Okay, so wait for it. I'm using $2. Okay, $2 is my set amount for trading. And then you wait for it. Please watch this video to the end. All right, for you to get the full knowledge of what I'm trying to pass across. And don't skip. If you skip, you'll miss out. Okay, so stay with me to the end, okay, of this video. So at the end of the video, I will show you how to make all these settings. All right, how to make all these settings. I will guide you in giving your in performing your trade on pocket option for profit. Okay, so I want you to observe these lines from the beginning. All right, you see it's already a loss. Now for you to enter a trade, okay, look at this red line, the blue line, and the white line under the ADX. They have given me a sign that this market is going to be good. All right, it's either going up or down. So now the best time for you to enter is when you see this movement. All right, these ADX lines are coming together. If they are coming together like this, then you observe the CCI22 and the oscillator. All right, the yellow line is the CCI, and the oscillator is these two blue and orange lines. So once they face up together, okay, good, you see, once they are facing up, they are moving together. If they are facing up, this is the time for you to buy. Okay, the green button that says higher, that's when you use it to buy. All right, but when they are showing down, when their direction is coming down, you buy the lower, you press the lower button. All right, you press the lower button. So as you can see, the trade is going on. Look at it, is reading already, is a plus. You see, we now have $10.84. Okay, in a normal market, if you make this interest, we are already 100%. All right, we already had our 100%, but I feel this is an educational video. I need to teach you more on how to go about this. All right, so you stay with me to the end as we continue this trading. I entered another uh market. All right, enter another trade, so let's wait and see. It's reading. All right, so once you click on the trade, to show you the seconds countdown. All right, so I'm trading Canadian dollar and Japanese yen, 83%. So let's see, I'm using $2 as my trading amount. So it's reading. Now I want you to observe these lines. You see the scholastic is facing is going up sharply, while the CCI is undecided. Okay, that's why the trade cuts. That's why this trade entered as a loss. Okay, so for you to have a successful market, make sure the way the oscillator is moving higher is the same way the CCI is moving higher. All right, if it is facing down, make sure the two of them are facing down. But if not, you enter another market. All right, you choose another currency pair, but make sure the ADX are coming together. Whenever they intersect, then you observe the movement of the CCI and the oscillator. All right, now here in this currency pair, they are normal, so let's check for another one. All right, good. This currency pairs, they are similarly good. So remember, make sure you have a sharp movement between the two. All right, when the ADX are joining, are coming together, then the CCI and the oscillator are moving towards the same direction with sharp movement, sharp indication. That is when you enter a trade. So that trade is not bad, it's not good. We need to change it. All right, no, this one is terrible, right? Because they are all balanced. Okay, this is a balanced market. You run away from this, you search for another pair of currency. There are multiple of them, and make sure you don't choose OTC on this strategy. Okay, this strategy is not meant for OTC. Okay, you can see some OTC, don't use them. All right, use the normal currency pair that doesn't have OTC at the end. All right, so let's study this and we enter these because the two the oscillator and the CCI are moving towards the same direction. Okay, they are moving towards the same direction, and because there is a connection between the three lines of the ODX. So let's wait and see for the trade. Let's wait and see. All right, so I want you to pay close attention to these indicators, because the more you master them, the more profit you'll be making. All right, out of 5 trades, you will discover that you make 5 successful trades. You make 4 successful trades, and maybe probably you may miss one. So I want you to use just $1 for a start. Okay, to test your ability of understanding these indicators. All right, good. You see, is a good market for us. So you see, we are having now $10. We change into another pair. You now study. Okay, this movement is balance. All right, so we look for another pair. Let's change. The network is a bit bad here. It's about raining in my city, so I'm just managing to see that I upload this right away. So bear with me. I want to show you something why you must allow these two lines to work together. Okay, following the reaction of the ADX. Okay, they must have to be working together. All right, if they are going up, they must go up together. If they are showing down, they must come down together. Okay, so you see they are pointing down, and because I am very sure the ADX have come together already, the three lines have joined, and you don't see the sign of the CCI and the oscillator. They are showing down. So I have entered double trade to close today's trading. Okay, to close today's trading. So if you have this kind of reading, you can enter 2 times at a spot. Okay, so because of the network, I was unable to enter them at the same spot. You can see the two lines, all right, following each other. That's where I strike. I entered the market. So let's wait and see. I'm very sure that this will enter because of the reading. The indicators have shown me a perfect moment, okay, to enter the market. So let's wait for it. Good, good. Boom. Here we are. You can see. So if you are yet to register on the pocket option, check the description box. I'm going to show you how to set your own application, okay, your pocket option application, to start raking in dollars, okay, and continue with your arbitrage as a normal. Okay, so the first thing to do, okay, your page, I mean your once you launch your application, it's going to be empty. All right, it's going to be empty once you download from the app store. After you have registered first on their web page with the link in my description box, and you go to Play Store. After you must have verified your pocket option account, okay, then once you launch it like this, it's going to be uh plain. Okay, you're not going to see all these lines. Okay, you'll be the one to do it. You'll be the one to fix them there. All right, so now how to make all these settings. Now follow me. All right, you click on these three lines. All right, click on these three lines. It will show you this. Then you now click on this settings. All right, click on this settings, the one that is showing 5, the second one. Okay, these three lines, vertical and horizontal lines, you click. Now this is where you see all those things that I'm using. All right, you're going to choose ADX. You select ADS, it will appear on your screen automatically. You now select all this that I've started. Okay, you now select the CCI. Okay, it will appear on your app. Okay, on your trading platform. The moving average. Okay, you now click it, it will also appear. The stochastic oscillator, it will appear, all right, on your trading page. All right, so these are the things that we are going to be using. Forget about the moving average, we are not using it. All right, don't click on it, just select the good Bollinger Band. Sorry, I forgot. Choose this Bollinger Band. You click on it 2 times, it will appear because we are using 2 of it. You now choose on CCI. It's going to appear moving average. We don't need it. Parabolic SAR. Do we need it? No, we don't need it. Don't choose it. Okay. So these are the things we need. This oscillator one, CCI 2, then Bollinger Bands 3, then ADX 4. All right. Remember the Bollinger Bands is 2 times. Click it 2 times. So after you must have clicked it, you've selected all of them. They will all appear here. All right. So once they appear here, all you have to do is the Bollinger Band is up here. You click on this pen sign. Now the first Bollinger Band, you make sure you correct the period to 20. The deviation, make sure is 2 like this. All right. Just touch to enter. All right. So once you are done, just click on this empty space. Then you choose style. All right. You change the style color to red, white, and red. Okay. Then the background color, make sure is this color. All right. You now, the pixel, most of the pixels are coming as 1. So you touch this 2 pixel so that you see the pixel and color. You touch the red color, you touch the pixel into 2. All right. You now close. The same thing with this middle. You make it white and 2 pixel and the rest. Okay. After you are done, click on save. You now go to the second Bollinger Band. You touch the pen close to it. Here, period, you make it 20. Deviation, you make it 3. Okay. You now go to styles. You see, make it blue, white, blue, and green. All right. 2 pixel. You now click on save. You are done with it. So once you put all that, this blue line, the red, the white, the red, the white are those things you just included. All right. So you now come down to this stochastic oscillator. You click on the pen. You make sure the percentage K period is 7, D period is 3, exactly as they are shown here. All right. The moving average SMA, then the style. Okay. You make it exactly like this. The K period is blue 1, all of them 1 1. Make sure you check 80 and 20. All right. You now save. Then the CCI, you click on the pen again. You make sure the period is 22 as it is here in mine. The styles, okay, leave everything yellow. Then the pixel should be 2. All right. Make sure it's exactly as I'm showing you. Okay. Make your settings to be exactly as this. All right. You now save. The same thing with the ADX. Make sure the ADX smoothing is 1. The DI length, put it 5. Okay. Then the styles, red, white, and blue. You can see the lines on my own. All right. Make it to 2 pixel as it is. Okay. Here you now save. So once you make that settings, these settings, you are good to go. It's just for you to wait, okay, and study the movement of your lines. All right. Now the best time for you to trade, if you can see, I've traded mine this evening, around 6 to 7. Okay. So it took me this long to create this video, and the best time for you to trade is around 11 a.m. Okay. Anything from 11 a.m. to 11:45. Before 12 o'clock you should close your trade. Okay, before you even 11:30, in case the market prolong, you are looking for good market to enter. Yes, make sure 12 o'clock doesn't catch you in the market. Okay, because the market is more favorable around that time. Anything from 11 a.m. Okay, so make sure you use that time. I'm always busy around that time at work. All right, so I couldn't find time to do it, so I used this evening time. I was able to get a favorable market and make over 100%. Remember, we started this trade with $5, and I'm having $13. Okay, so imagine me using $100. Imagine me using $1,000. I would have made $1,300 right away. So, as I earlier told you, this account is mainly for educational purpose. Okay, so take this and apply it to your own. Okay, look at this. You can change your trade amount here. Okay, here I'm using $2. You can choose $1. You can impute the amount, okay, you want to use. All right, so you can choose. All right, you can choose $1, anyone. Okay, so according to your capital, if you have $100, I'll advise you to use $5, okay, per trade. By the time you understand this method, all right, use $100, use $5, and when you master this method, you can use $10 and the rest. Okay, so but for the time being, train yourself using just $1 or $2. Okay, so once you master how this thing works, then you can increase. All right, you can increase the trading amount. Okay, look at a beautiful moment here. Look at a beautiful moment. I feel like entering it, but no, I will not. I'm done for today. So thanks for watching. And make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell and give me a thumbs up, okay, if you like this content. So you can equally join my Telegram group where you can see me at the admin and private chat me. I'm always there to respond to you, all right, with all your questions. So see you in our next video. Please stay tuned and make sure you share this video with your loved ones. Thanks and see you next.